How to add HBO Max on Hulu? To add HBO Max on Hulu, you can follow these steps. First of all, check eligibility. Ensure that your Hulu account is eligible for the HBO Max add-on. This typically applies if you have a Hulu subscription that includes premium add-ons. Then log into Hulu. Open the Hulu app or go to the Hulu website. Sign in with your Hulu account credentials. After that, navigate to Account Settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account from the drop-down menu. Then Manage Add-ons. Look for the section labeled Add-ons or Premium Add-ons. Find HBO Max in the list of available add-ons. After that, select HBO Max. Click on the option to add HBO Max to your Hulu account. You may be prompted to sign in with your HBO Max credentials. After that, complete any additional steps as prompted to link your accounts. Finally, confirmation. Once linked, you should receive a confirmation and you will be able to access HBO Max content through your Hulu account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Hulu's customer support for assistance, as they can provide specific guidance based on your account status.